everybody, Josh here, Adventure Roads. Autumn is filming, and look at this view. Campfire's going. What's the temperature right now? Maybe 50 degrees?
Maybe.
This is, what is that, Meadowlark Lake?
Yep, Meadowlark Lake.
Meadowlark Lake. And we are in Meadowlark Lake. We are about 40 miles or so west of Buffalo, Wyoming. We are on US 16. This goes through, I don't know, we're through some national forest here on US 16 between Buffalo, Wyoming, and what they call Ten Sleep, Wyoming, which is a tiny little town, but very pretty through this area. And anyways, today we were driving from Mount Rushmore area this way, and we were on the road by 8 after breakfast, and then I decided to eat some sweets. There's some little peach rings. It was about 8 o'clock in the morning.
7:59.
7:59, and Autumn says I can't eat those because it's too early. And I'm driving. 20 minutes later, Autumn's hands in the bag eating them herself. And then once again,
You tempted me.
Once again at 9. So I don't see there's any difference between 8 o'clock and 8:20 for eating candy. It's still early in the morning. So anyways, as long as you be true to your teeth, and else it'll be false to you, brush your teeth after eating all the sweets. But anyways, we're on vacation. We're heading to see Autumn's parents, and we are camping along the way. We've got our truck camper back here, so I'll have Autumn show that real quick. And
We have
we'll
Hannah with us too.
Hannah's with us. And it's just the three of us, and we're going to meet our other kids in Yellowstone. They're going to meet us from Oklahoma, drive up, and they're going to be tent camping it. And I'll have some pictures of some of the sights that we've seen along the way. We've seen some phenomenal scenery. We drove through Spearfish, South Dakota, and we saw some mountain goats up on the mountain. We saw a couple waterfalls. We drove to Devil's Tower today, and we saw Mount Rushmore last night in the Badlands yesterday. So it's been a really cool trip. We put the truck and truck camper on what they call the SS Badger. We floated across Lake Michigan. It's a 4-hour float from Ludington, Michigan to Manitowoc, Wisconsin. So anyways, we did that. So it's been a really cool experience, and I'll try to have all this kind of at the end. So anyways, we're just trying to catch up and show you a little bit what we're doing. Truck campers behind us. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Autumn, do you got anything that you want to share? Can I hit pause, and then you got anything to share?
No, I don't have anything to share.
She's not eating any snacks right now, but
But we'll show them the camper. Hold on.
okay. So there we are, the Godzilla. We are about 1,100 miles from when we left home. Like we said, that probably saved, I don't know, 300 miles or something roughly from going around Chicago and then out that way. But anyways, it was fun going on the boat. Thank you guys for watching. We're just hanging out at the fire. We're hoping a moose comes out. I don't know. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Create your own story today, and God bless.